Good day, my wonderful viewers. You're welcome once again to Frequency Online Mass. Many of us make this mistake. You understand? Many of us make this mistake. So I want to just correct the impression here. These are complex words, fractions. Now, this complex fraction, you know that if you have something like um 2/3, something like this, it's just normal fraction. You understand? But this fraction, when you have a fraction upon what? A number. You understand? So it is regarded as what? Complex fraction. For example, this ones, you understand? So now let's solve this number A, that this thing is not equal to this thing. Now, in solving fraction, what you need to consider is what? The width of the bar. The width of the what? Bar. In this first question here, we have 2/3, which is a fraction, upon a number. Can you see it now? The width of this one and this one are not the same. The smaller widths are what? Fractions. You understand? Those with larger widths are what? The number. I said that this thing is not equal to this thing. As you can see now, it's a number upon what? A fraction. Are you seeing it now? So let's solve this one and move over to this one. So this thing will be, whenever you have a fraction upon a number, it will be 2/3. Then all over 5 all over what? 1. You understand? You put 1 on top. If there is no fraction there, you just do what? Put 1 under. You understand? So this will now give us what? 2/3 all over, sorry, the division will change to multiplication, so it will be times, the 1 will go up, the 5 will go down. 5 all over 1. 2 times 1 is what? 2 all over 15. You understand? So this is your what? Answer. Now let's solve this one. I hope you can see the down. Okay, let's solve this one. So this one means, solving this one, it will be this number all over. Now when you have a number all over a fraction, it simply means that number times the reciprocal of this fraction, which is what? Reciprocal of 3/5 is what? 5 all over 3. So 2 times 5 is what? 10 all over what? 3. This is your what? Answer. Do you understand it now? So anytime you have a fraction over a number, just be careful with the bars. You understand? Just be careful with the bars. You get? So one bar must be greater than the what? The other. You understand? So it's not possible that the two bar will be the same. One must be greater than the other. Now to solve this question, hope you can see this side. Okay. To solve this question, this will be what? We are having a fraction over what? Another fraction. All over a number, and this number is over what? A fraction. You get now? So this one, normal method, we are going to use 3/2, you understand, times, as we did it here, you understand, times, this 4 will go up, sorry, it will be now times, division will change to multiplication, so it will be 4/15. Understand? So 3 times 4 is 12. Can you see it from there? 12. Okay, that's good. Now 2 times 5 is 2 times 15, 30. 6 here, 2. 6 here, 5. So we are having 2/5 for this part. This part is having what? 2/5. You understand? You can just call this part anything. Okay, let's just leave it like this. So we come to this place, we are having a number over what? A number. You understand? So let's leave this number first and focus on this one. Let's focus on what? This one, and resolve it. So this thing is what? 5. We are having a number upon what? A fraction. So we are going to multiply it by the reciprocal of the fraction. So 5 times 12 is what? 5 times 2 is what? 10. Let me multiply it now. Okay, 10. Wait. 12, 5, 10, 6. So 60. So we are going to have 5 times 12 over 1, which is what? 60. You understand? So now we have gotten the value for this one. Now you know that this thing will now be 24 all over this value here, all over what? 60. You understand? So now bringing everything together, let me bring the camera down so that you can see it. Bringing everything together, it will now be the value for this one, which is what? 2 over 5. You understand? All over this one will now be 24 over 60. You understand? So this thing is now fraction over what? Another word, fraction. You get? So now it will now be 2 over 5 times 60 all over 24. You see it now? So this thing will now be 2 times this one will be 120 all over 5 times this will be 24 times 5, 22, 10, 11, 12, 120. So 120 over 120, which will give us 1. So 1 is the answer. You understand? So 1 is the answer. This is how we solve fraction upon what? Another fraction, or a number upon another fraction. That's complex what? Fraction. So you need to be careful, you understand, whenever you are solving fractions, to know which one has the higher what? Bar. You understand? So since we have simplified this one all over anything, okay, we have simplified this one, we got this one, you understand? Now all over the biggest bar. Now we simplify this one and got which value do we get? We got this value now. We got 60. So automatically this one is over what? 60. You understand? So it's now a smaller what? Fraction. So it will now be a smaller fraction all over this fraction again that is what? Small. So you do what? Use this pattern. Use this pattern and get your what? Answer. Thank you for watching and may God bless you. Bye bye.